Good evening, good evening, good evening. Want to say big up all of my subscribers them. Elvis, big up yourself. So may I say, DL, big up yourself. Yo, when a time for me big up subscriber, I come like on a whole heap. And then sometimes I don't remember. But honestly, I don't remember. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, do the right thing. The bell, there's some one of them party up here, so just click your bell, click all. This means you don't miss nothing when the content then drop. Even though the content then kinda drop. Space out long. But them a drop. Seeing we're there again, and we are still on Line Mixer. Line Mixer with it on. I'm supposed to do a video. I'm write them down sometimes when people then ask me, say, yo, do a video upon this, do a video upon that. Sometimes I write them down, sometimes I don't know what them there, but I don't write them down. But let me get the music running. You know what I mean? Let me get the laptop up. If I put in my pit name and I. Right. Now the laptop good to go. I'm going to start up virtual DJ because of that me use. Everybody I go cost me now. No, I cost a phone business. Alright. Start up virtual DJ because of this me use. Alright. You wanna make me find my instrumental because I don't know how YouTube work already, you know. Me find a good instrumental to beat. Alright. Find a good instrumental for run. Alright. Instrumental run. Good evening again. We're still on Line Mixers. You understand? Enough things we have to do. Seeing? So watch her now. Let me squeeze around that corner here. We talked about looping a long time ago. And when I'm looking to charge the link me, let me get the camera right. When I'm looking to charge the link me and say, yo, me have a problem. So his problem was, and to me it shouldn't be such a big issue, but it can be. You know what I mean? Let me do my sound one way still, because everything comes through my mixer then my compressor, so everything going through my mixer is compressed going down the road. Alright, enough of that. Enough of trying to figure out. But what happened is, my charge link me, I said to me, say, yo, in mic, when I'm lining the mic on the mixer, it's not like it's difficult, 100% difficult to gauge the mic, but you find say sometimes you gotta dance and a man attack on the mic, and when you tune the mic at home or at the headquarters, you realize say you just have check 1, check 3, check 4, check few with a with a low tone, you know what I mean, good enough voice. Sometimes you will give a louder shout, you know what I mean, forget the mic tune up. But when you leave HQ and dip on the road, you realize say some of the man them when they talk on the microphone, no sorry, Michelle phone, when they chat on the Michelle phone, maybe their voice is a little bit stronger or whatever. But some of the times when you're out on the road, that's when you realize that the Michelle phone kinda louder or a bit stronger than the audio on the sound. Now we are going to show you one little trick for adjust on a Michelle phone seeing on the sound. Alright. And basically a compress, we are going to compress the Michelle phone. So only just please follow me on now. It's not difficult. Watch it now. We talk about this guy, TRS, tip, ring and sleeve, and we talk about TS, tip and sleeve. The tip is the signal, the sleeve are the ground. The tip are the signal, return ground, or a return signal ground, I think, something like that. But don't mix up them there, cause this is a stereo jack if you are going on a headphone, but it can also be classified as an insert jack. Seeing? Watch this now. Inserts on your line mixer, these right here, inserts on your line mixer has a very specific function on the mixer board. A lot of people don't know, and today we're going to show you what inserts on your line mixer is actually used for. See? Alright. Here is the insert. Let me see if I get these cable out of the way just a bit. Insert 1, insert 2. I'm going to show you a vibe now. Catch this. This is the jack where you would have used on an insert. So you insert here, and if you realize what happened when I put that jack in a line 1, this channel, the left channel, dead. Because what happened is the jack cut the signal on this strip right here. It cut the signal, so there is signal coming in. There is signal coming in up here, so on the XLR and the TS, but on the insert or on the line going down, there is no signal. The signal not down there so now because of this. So when you go so, left channel dead, unplug it. Line 2 that I would use for my right channel dead. Seeing? So what we're going to do is we're going to insert this one. And over here, alright, here we have the Alice is quad verb. Seeing? And this one right now, the black one, my memory serves me right, the black one should be the one carrying the signal, and the red one is gonna return the signal coming from line 2. The black one I go bring the signal. See it there now. I don't want this video to be shaky. I don't want nobody feel like say a trick. See the jack there. So coming from line 1, the black one is gonna bring a signal to the mid verb. You understand? And then the red one is gonna carry back that same signal from the mid verb into this line strip. You see what I say? Here we go. Here we go. We are going to find on the back of this now. We are going to find input. Let's say that on the left side, or that's the right side. And then we are going to find output. Input red side. Input right side, output right side. We are going to come around here, sir. See the signal there? That's the signal that we're getting from the mid verb, or from the Mackie board line 2. That signal is now going into the mid verb. It's gonna return on this red jack from the mid verb back into this same line. See me? The reason why we haven't seen the signal over there yet is because the output volume is turned down. Now, as I turn the output volume up, there goes the signal. See me? All right. With that being said, gentlemen, I used this external piece of equipment in this video, and I would like to say that what I'm trying to do is implement or use this piece of equipment to represent a compressor. Seeing? I want to stay with me clear. Seeing? We are using the mid verb to represent a compressor. The reason behind that is because I do not have a compressor in my hand right now. So check this out. You come so now, boom. Follow me keenly, gentlemen. You come so, boom, that's my microphone receiver. And you come out of your microphone receiver, whether you're using an XLR or a quarter, you come out of your microphone receiver, and let's say, being as me have my thing set up, with my console, I play line 1 and line 2, you come into line 3 with your microphone receiver. When you come into line 3, you jump into line 3 with this jack in the insert. If you realize what happened, gentlemen, me just take out this insert jack out of line 2. Watch what happens. That's line 2 right there without the insert. But once me put this insert jack in a line 2, you find the signal coming in to the mid verb, leaving the mid verb through the red jack and going back in a line 2. You can now go ahead and use the equalizer then on line 2 strip to tune that line going out to your master. See? If you do this, the master still dropping up. See? Because what happened is you're now taking the signal from this guy here, which would be your compressor, and sending it back to line 2. Okay, I'm gonna do this video again, and the reason behind that is I want everybody to understand, because I'm gonna use my microphone receiver the next time I do this, so you see exactly what I'm doing. Whether you're using a 1/4 inch TS or what they call it 1/4 inch, whether you're using a TS jack, 1/4 jack, what they want to call them, TS me call it, or a XLR, you're gonna exit out of your microphone receiver and into line 3. What you're gonna do from here, you're gonna put in your insert jack right there, so killing the microphone input coming in. So basically the microphone isn't even going into the mixer in a sense. It would be going to your compressor. You see me I say? So boom, now you put your microphone there. So what you're actually doing with an external compressor, let's say this Midverb right here was a compressor, you're embedding a compressor into your mixer. You're putting an external compressor in your mixer on a specific line, whichever line you guys choose. Now, when you come out of your insert now, you would have going at the compressor input, and from the compressor you go output, and it work with the same jack, insert jack. Go right back in a line 3, because line 3 would be the line that we're using for the microphone. When you do that now, gentlemen, when you do that now, you would have your microphone going into your mixer, and from that one specific line, line 3, you would have your microphone going out into a compressor via your insert jack. See me? When it goes out into your compressor, you tune your compressor. Shout as loud as you can on the mic, and tune your compressor according to the volume that is coming from your mixer. And a man might consider now and say, why wouldn't I just send my microphone to the compressor first? I'll get a reason behind this. You send the microphone to the compressor and then back to the mixer. It probably work one way, you know what I mean? But a good reason behind why you would go to your mixer first is this guy right here. Because if your input from your microphone is coming in soft or weak, you will use the trim on the mixer to get that volume back, to get that body back. You see me? And then once you trim him up and you get this light over there, so I come in, you can then say, yes, my microphone's input is as strong as my audio. It is not far from the audio. That's why I like to use my clip light them, because or my signal light, because then I know exactly how much I'm using on that specific channel, how much you're getting from your console, how much you're getting from your mic. And then now you can balance the mic and the music. Can balance the mic and the music like close, very, very close. See me? So remember now, your microphone come in line 3, you trim your mic. You know what I mean? If you think your volume are coming too strong from your microphone receiver, you turn down the volume. You see me I say? And the lower you come out with your microphone volume from your receiver, the cleaner it is. You know what I mean? And then you use your trim now, because as long as it come out of that clean, you're not going to spoil it up again that easily, you know. So you use the trim now to bring that volume up. And when you bring the volume up, you try you try to get, let me proper English, because I hope people watch the channel. What you would do, you try to get the clip light on channel 3 to match the clip light on channel 2. You see me I say? By using the trim. You understand? Alright, once you get that, you don't even need to start tune. You don't even need to start any tuning. Once you get the clip light coming in close to what's going on here on line 2, which is the music, next thing you would do, bam, carry up the mic line. You see me? That's it. Nobody can fool with it and have it going higher than, you know what I mean, the music, or higher than whatever. Then now you drop in your insert jack. And gentlemen, again, I'm gonna redo this video. Now go get one compressor. See me? And I'm gonna use my microphone receiver. Understand? If you do this video again, because I want to make it clear. You understand me? After you guys get all of that done, microphone coming in, this guy all set up, you know what I mean, forget him clipping, not overriding and all of that. Then you bring your mic line slider up, all the way up in back. Nobody can in a dance say, oh, give me a look more mic right there, so blah blah blah. So me I say, next thing you do is you throw in your insert jack, and that insert jack would carry the signal from line 3 into this guy, which would be a compressor. This guy would take the signal back and carry it right back to line 3. Now you'd be ready to use your equalization section on your line strip, on strip 3, to tune your microphone. One thing that I left out though, before me even get to tuning, being as this is not the compressor, what you would do if it was the compressor, you would have compressed the volume or the audio coming out of line 3. You compress that audio, so therefore when it comes out, it doesn't pass a certain decibel range over here. So what you would do, boom, you play the music. You set your compressor now, which would be this guy, and you start watching where your signal lights go when the music playing. See me? Alright. And that's how far my signal light then come. Now I mean, up past 7 there so. So may I say, alright, now you would stop the music, you understand, and use the mic, and then while your selector, engineer, disc jockey attack on the mic, you would be right here, tuning this little guy. That would be your compressor. You tune the compressor and make sure say. Whenever him upon the mic, make him talk loud, make him talk strong, make him talk hard. Tune the compressor and make sure say as loud as he want talk. Your signal light on your mixer don't pass 7. So may I say, it is that simple. Simple mic trick. What I'm gonna do, gentlemen, I'm gonna redo this video. And leave me hungry. I eat the phone a while ago. Or may I come so close to your phone? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna redo this video. I'm gonna do a part 2 to this video. I'm gonna use the compressor. And I'm gonna use the microphone receiver. If we do this video, that's when you can see the tuning of the microphone, the tuning of the compressor. See? No long to clean the answer. I'll buy one contact cleaner tomorrow. See what I go on this, sir? See there? See there? That's the signal coming from the mixer. Or yes, coming out of the mixer through the insert. It comes out and goes into the mid-verb on this black jack, and then comes back out of the mid-verb on this red jack and goes right back into line 2 before it comes over to the main. Check it out. and that's how you will get your microphone to not go way above your audio when you select and talk on the mic. See? I wish there was more I could do in this video tonight. You know what I mean? But like I said, I don't have the compressor. You understand? In my hand. And you know what I mean? Such is it. Because if I did have the compressor, then I could have tuned the compressor, tune that, tune this, tune whatever, and do it. Yeah, if I did have the compressor, I could have run the mic receiver through a specific line by itself and tune it so you can see exactly what's going on. But tonight I don't have my hand on another compressor, so that now going to take place. Before I end this video though, I would like to say, if this video was informative, if you know learn it, if you know catch it, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, you know what I mean, share it with your chargy, hit the notification bell, you know what I mean, just do the right thing, you know what I mean. If you don't catch it and you don't want to see it again, just say, yo, do it again, just type it, do it again. See me, the next time I do it, it will be from the microphone to the compressor with the insert jack going to the compressor, coming back from the compressor into the same insert jack, going right back to that channel, and then coming out of the main. So may I say that is it. Also let me also enclose this in another video here. For the gentleman them, for the sound man them, we have them analog mixer like this, and then have the insert pan it. It is a very, very cool mixer. Seeing some of the digital them have it too, the inserts. So may I say it's a very, very cool mixer, because what you could also do, you come out of the insert jack, and this is gonna be your mic stage. See me? Instead of doing a mic stage in your console or wherever, and coming out of the mic stage into the mixer or whatever, it could work this way also, where you come out of the insert jack into your mid verb or your echo, whatever you want to use for the mic stage. It comes out of the insert into the echo, come out of the echo into your compressor, or into your compressor first and then into the echo, you know what I mean, and go right back from the echo into, with the same insert, into that line on the mixer, and go back to the main. Let's say you guys are using one of the smaller mixers, and you know what I mean, the way on the mixer setup, you know what I mean, when you don't have all of the ins and out there, this is a very cool way to do it. So you come out of your third line, the line we're not use, or you come out of your mic first into your XLR or into your TS, and then you use the insert feet on that line, the mic line, and you come out of the mic insert, which once you push that insert jack in, it'll go kill that channel anyways. You come out of the insert into your into your compressor, and then you come out of your compressor into your echo, and then you come out of your echo with the insert return, which is the red jack. And once you come out of the echo with the insert return, it goes right back into that line, and then you start your tuning. That's what I say. Done it done right there. So nice mic stage come out of the mixer. You get a 3-stage equalizer tuning pan the mic stage same way, along with your mid-verb, whatever your mid-verb you are tuning mid-verb to do, and then your compressor would protect that you don't know the roof there, the height there, the volume there, where you don't want your microphone to pass. You see me I say? And once your compressor hit that roof, you're good there, so your microphone is not gonna be louder than the music. You know what I mean? Or some people like your microphone low, they can say they're a little bit above the music. You understand? But it's not gonna be overly high where you're gonna damage anything or have to worry about anything. You understand what I say? Cause sometimes some man turn up their voice box. But sometimes some man come on the mic and when the man talk, I said, you know, Lando then sounds up on the mic. Lando, hey, Lando, come talk on the mic. Lando come talk on the mic, sound like one cooking. It's a turn up in voice box. You understand? So you put the compressor up on the sound now and compressing blow over voice box in a brother. See if you follow me I say. That me I say. So I hope this video was informative. I hope you guys learn. I hope you follow me. You know what I mean? And not just follow me on YouTube. I hope you follow the whole instruction on the video and I hope you catch it. If you don't catch it, type and say, yo, do it again. If you don't catch it, I don't want to do it again. Type and say, do it again. If you don't like the video, give it a thumbs up. You know what I mean? If you don't do it already, do it now. Notification bell. All. Relax. That simple. You understand? Yeah man, a DJ Easy this, you know what I mean? A Heatwave channel this. You understand? My name comes me and say, yo, your channel need to have an intro. Like how everybody have their intro. Nismo having intro song come on. I say, alright. When I did them, I'm gonna edit one thing with probably me and Devlin on it or whatever, I put it on the channel. When me I do the video, then we just do them run through them on the channel. You understand? But I want to say big up everybody who subscribe. Big up all of my subscribers them. Without them I couldn't really dare so I do it. You know what I mean? Because I never really expect said this was gonna hit like that far. Believe me. You know what I mean? So once again, big up to Uno. You know what I mean? I want to make this thing possible. You understand? Yeah. Stay tuned. Me see you next time.